Hi, I'm Josh, and today I'm going to show you how to cook British Indian restaurant style Shimla Mirch Murg. Think of a jalfrezi, madras and danzak flavour combination dish, cooked in a spicy sauce consisting of green peppers, onions, garlic, spices and coriander to create a tantalising curry. A semi-dry condensed dish with a touch of sourness and added green chilli for a kick. As always, a full recipe is in the description below. Please consider subscribing, hit that like button and turn the notification bell. Thanks. To begin, heat the oil on low to medium heat. Once hot, add the chopped onions, fenugreek leaves and salt and fry for a few minutes to soften, stirring frequently. Once the onions have begun to soften and caramelise, add the diced green pepper, finger chilies and grated garlic. Stir through, frying for a few minutes. Add a little base if things start to stick. When ready, add in the mix powder, chili powder and tandoori masala powder. Add a little hot base if things are looking dry at any time and stir well. Tip in the tomato puree, mint sauce and sugar and stir through. Turn up the heat to medium-high and add half the base. Stir through and allow to reduce for a couple of minutes before adding the rest. If using raw meat, it's time to add it now and coat in the sauce to stop it drying out and fry for a minute to infuse the flavours. I'm using pre-cooked chicken, so I'll add it in the last couple minutes so it doesn't overcook. Add in the meat. Stir through and cook until reduced by half. Now sprinkle over the garam masala and fresh chopped coriander. Reduce to your desired consistency and until the oil begins to separate. Stir through and serve. Please remember to subscribe, comment and hit that like button, and find this and many more recipes on my website at thecurrykid.co.uk.